Well, you guys, today's an impromptu video. Wasn't expecting to get this for a while, but it's here. This is the Hot Wheels Track Builder set. I actually didn't know it came with a car, so that's a pretty nice little bonus. Got this off of Amazon for like 19 bucks, and of course I have Prime shipping, but it took like a couple days to get here. So here's what comes included. You get 31 pieces of this long track, 12 pieces of this track, and 43 double end connectors. That's pretty cool. Well, let's go ahead and open it up and let's see. It says open here, but let's see. Here's our little double end pieces. Fun fact, I actually printed out some Hot Wheels ramps, and these are pretty spot on to what these are. Also, these aren't as flexible, but I didn't know it was going to come with these. But here we go. This is the first actual Hot Wheels track that I've ever bought in my life. I've had tracks in the past, and they were like little play sets, and they were given to me, as a kid. But these are actually my first as an adult, and they feel really, really smooth. I don't know, they just feel different than when I was a kid. But this is pretty awesome that it comes with all this. But there's not really a whole lot more to this video than just kind of showing you what comes with this. I will take out the car so we can look at it. But I mean, this is pretty much if you just need straight track that has shorter pieces, has longer pieces. As of right now, I don't need any turns because I'm just going to be doing straight racing. I needed an extended track for the end of my track so that the cars have somewhere to actually end on. I have some ideas about what I'm going to do with this track, and hopefully you guys enjoy that. But let's take a look at the car, and then we'll end the video. There's our car. Pretty cool. It's like a see-through NASCAR type car. You can see the motor on the inside has a roll cage. The wheels are see-through. The bottom is metal. Pretty interesting little car, to be honest. And it's not a licensed car, but that's pretty cool with all this stuff on the inside. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and hit notifications, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching Flash Hobbies.